Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Plaid for syncing bank transactions into accounting step by step clearly. To install Plaid for syncing bank transactions into your accounting software, begin by navigating to the Plaid website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. After confirming your email address, log into your new Plaid account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, select the Create New Application option. Provide a name for your application and click on Create. Now, you will see your API keys, which you will need later for integration. Next, choose the financial institutions you want to connect. Click on Link your bank account and select your preferred institution. You will be prompted to log into your online banking account. Enter your username and password for the bank. Once authenticated, follow any additional security prompts required by your bank. After successful authentication, you'll see a confirmation screen. Return to your Plaid dashboard to retrieve your access token. Copy the access token for use in your accounting software. Open your accounting software and navigate to the Integrations or Settings section. Locate the Plaid integration option in your accounting software. Paste the access token into the relevant field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the integration process. After configuration, test the connection to ensure sync functionality. Once confirmed, you can start syncing bank transactions to your accounting software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.